Hello, this is Minnesota Hawk. My name is Mark. I just installed Battery Tender Junior Deltran. I'm not going to be keeping the battery on the bike during these winter months, but I thought I'm going to want to keep it maintained anyhow. You can see I have it installed right here by the helmet lock. I just want to show you the routing. Zip ties all the way up the frame and over under the seat. Just here. I didn't include it into the battery cable. It's just on there freely, right under the nut. No sense of messing with this stuff. The protectors, and they kind of still fit. So I'll be using that this spring, just to maintain the battery between the week I don't drive it or whatever, 2 weeks I don't drive it. And while I was here, I had the seat off to do all that. That's your turn signal buzzer. And underneath this tape right here, there's an open hole, square hole. Just throw some black tape on that. And it's pretty quiet. And that's it for that. So I will be taking the battery in for the winter. Filled up the gas tank. Almost 3 ounces of seafoam for a fuel additive stabilizer. Probably don't need, since I'm running 91 octane non-oxy. But I figure, what the hell, I might as well put something in there. Pumped up the tires. Put about 5 extra pounds in each tire. Don't have a lift, outside lift it off the ground. Keep the wheels from getting a flat spot. They should be fine. And I fogged the cylinder with some WD-40, pretty much. Same shit anyway, fish oil. Other than that, I'm ready for winter. See you in the next video.